Hello, everyone. Lomatics added something this week that I think a lot of you are going to like, and I wanted to go over it in a little bit of detail for you. So what this is this allows you to create a draft document and then send it for approval from someone. Now, you need automations to be able to do the sending and things like that, but that is what I'm going to show you today and show you kind of how all this works. So we always recommend that you have a form that has the information in it that you fill in to create your signature documents and what needs to go into those. So we have this form for this matter here, and we want to send an agreement. We're doing a flat fee type of billing, and we're just going to do a base well single. And we're going to submit this. Now, what we have going on behind the scenes is when that document or that form is submitted. Now refresh this so we see this right here. Then this goes, and then this it creates your PDF in your matter of your information, right? And then another automation is going to run. So this automation, what it's going to do is it right here, it is the draft document review and send. And if we look at this, the details of this, it went down through and it created the document. A draft was created for it, and it emailed me this agreement to approve. And what we want to look at in there is how you can do that internally. So you can have this sent to anyone, and this then comes to them in an email, and this is what it says: our agreement is ready to approve, and click here to approve the agreement and send. So I can click here and it will open that matter directly to the e-signatures. Now, as you can see, I have been playing around in here for a little bit with stuff, but right here is my draft agreement. So I can go look at this agreement. I can go down through it and go, yep, that's good, and click approve. Or I can go, oh, there's something in there I don't like. I want to edit it. And now I can go into here and I can edit this document, make any changes that I want into here, add things to it, whatever else, and then approve and send, or just approve. In any case, when you approve it, if you've looked at it and you come back to here, you can use this to approve it. When you approve it, I want you to take note of one thing. There's no send here. You can't send this, because it's not approved. It isn't a draft. You can't send a draft that's not approved. So, but I'm going to go ahead and approve this. And I can do this a couple of ways. Remember, I can preview it, look at it, say it's good, hit approve. I can edit it, make any changes I want, and then click approve or approve and send. Now, the thing is with that, if it is approved and you edit it, it will take it back to unapproved. So just keep that in mind. But in any case, or you can just click this and approve it. Is that good? Yep, I say it's good. Now, if we see it's marked approved, right? So if somebody's already approved it and I go, it's not sent yet, and I don't really want to, I need to edit something, right? So I'm going to go ahead and edit this, and um, I'm going to put something down here. Um, maybe I just want to put his name up here. And I just want to put hello in there. That's all I want to do. But if I want to make any change to this, whatever. So I can send it right from here. I can save a draft. Saving isn't going to unapprove this document. Do you like to reapprove after saving so that I can save it? Or I can just click this unapprove, and it will then unapprove it and take it back to what it needed to be. Or then I can then agree, so I can make an edit and then have my choices of approve it, and send it, or save it as draft. So in any case, all those things, that's how like all of that works. But I can approve this. I say, yes, this is good. And then my send appears. So I can send it, I can unapprove it, or I can send it. So at this point, I can send this to a client, It's going to use the email template. There it is, and off it goes. And it's that simple. They've really taken this process and broke it down and simplified it. And just send it to me, and it's in my inbox for me to sign now. But it was that simple to be able to do that. So this whole process allows you, one, to be able to automatically create a document that you can then go review. Or if you're in a position where you want someone else to review those documents before you send them out for signature, you can absolutely do that and automate that creation of the draft and the sending of the draft to someone, and then they can send that out. So it's a very simple, easy process, but it is such a huge time saver, and this is we're very happy to be able to share this with you. And if you need any help with this at all, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.